Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and today we are doing a collaboration with Karina's Nail Designs. We are doing our theme, I can't think. Our theme is feathers. So I have this beautiful, beautiful feather foil. I'm not sure where I got it. I can't remember if it was Charlie's, AliExpress. It was one of the two. But it is a beautiful, beautiful feather foil. So I figured this would look great over a black nail. See? I think this one just looks really, really cool with some bling at the top maybe. So that's what we're going to do. I've got my Beetles Nail Art Foil Glue UV LED, because this is gel. I only wear lacquer, but for YouTube I only play with gel. I mean, I have some, I should do a lacquer manicure in here one time. It's been a long time. Long time since I've done lacquer. I need to get some good stuff though. So here we go. Our nail is ready and out of the lamp. I'm going to line my foil up, press down over the whole entire nail. Give it a rub, rub, rub. I just did a video last week explaining how my lamp was bad and it wouldn't cure for the foils. And looky, I get beautiful coverage now with my new lamp. I'm so excited. So excited. The rule of thumb is with doing foils, make sure your lamp is still good. If you're having problems getting full coverage, or you're barely getting coverage, check your lamp. It may still cure your gel nails, which is what mine was doing. But it was not, whoops, it was not giving me coverage with the foils at all. So, food for thought, if you're having trouble with your foils, check your lamp. Okay, here we go. We got 3 seconds left on the lamp. If you are here from Karina's channel, I welcome you. And if you're viewing mine, I hope you go and welcome to Karina's Nail Designs to the collaboration. Go check out her channel, show her some love and support. See what feather manicure she did. Ta-da! Love, love, love doing this foil nails, and that's all I want to do. If I would have realized before about the lamp. It was hard for me to let go though. I had a duo by Sun. Which means both hands can fit very, very comfortably inside at the same time. The lamp I bought is also a duo. Not as wide though. It's like 3 inches short of being the width of what my other one was. So be careful what you buy. Make sure you're checking out your full purchase before you hit process your checkout or whatever it says. I got mine off Amazon. It was like 30 bucks. Can't remember. I think, let me see. I'll wait till the lamp goes off and I'll tell you who makes it. Can't remember if it was a Sun or not. My other one was a Sun. It was 128 watt. This one I'm not. I can't remember. Could be 48. Not really certain. Not really certain. I don't remember. I know it serves my purpose. This is just a Sun lamp. I do like their lamps, their products. So again, push down your foil onto the nail, spread it out, press down, give it a couple rubs. Make sure you get your tip, your cuticle area. Feels like my nail wants to come off. There we go. Okay. Alright, here we go. All 5 nails are complete. I think these turned out really nice. Really, really nice. I thought about doing them over orange, but it didn't, I didn't like the way it looked, to be honest. So we're going to top coat now. We're going to put a little bit of bling on some of the nails. Not all, just some. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of any future or all future videos, any giveaways, any important information that may come across my desk. Beautiful. Little glossy top coat. So let's get our bling. There we go. Turn these puppies over. Alright, alright, alright. Whoa. They want to pick them up off the mat. Let me check out my other mat. There we go. Hope I'm in frame. Hope you can see. There's 2 more little ones. Almost. So I gotta go out of frame here so I can see. Terribly sorry about that. Oh shoot! I just flung that across my desk. Woo! Thank God I didn't lose it. Woohoo! Thought for sure I was a goner. A couple extras here that I do not want. Sorry about that. There we go. Here's our finished manicure, bling and all. I'm gonna pop her in the lamp. Give a full 60-second cure. And we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are out of the lamp. We are finito. Here we go, my feather manicure for mine and Karina's collaboration for feathers. Put a little bit of bling on each of the main 3 nails. I hope you like it. Leave me a comment down below with your thoughts, suggestions, and opinions. Please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. Head over to Karina's Nail Designs and give her video a look-see. Have yourself a blessed day and thank you.